Ernie Capello here with WindowFix, and take you on a tour of a project we did about 10 years ago in a pretty cool area in New York City a lot of people don't know about, called Jumel Terrace. It's a New York City and a national landmark located in Washington Heights. You can see here, Jumel Terrace Historic District. And there's a very unique block with cobblestone streets and very old architecture from the 1700s. Over here at Jumel Terrace in Washington Heights, WindowFix we installed, well first we prepared all the drawings and filings to get the permits to do the work here, to replace the windows here. They were all wood, Colby & Colby manufactured them with a K-Cron exterior finish. This project is actually 10 years old, and you can see in the images how crisp and clean, and it's really nice to come back for me and see a job that I did 10 years ago, and it's still in great shape and the windows are still performing. You know, that says a lot. That's why I do what I do, the way I do it. We always make sure we do it the right way the first time so that these projects last, you know, the test of time. One of the main things that when installing landmark windows that's super important is that we match all the old historical details, especially the brick mold profile. So the shape of this profile replicates what was originally here. And this is something that Landmarks really focuses on. It's probably one of, if I had to pick one thing, the most important thing when trying to get an approval with Landmarks. So we're on the way right now to 145 Morningside Avenue in Harlem. This is a project we also did, I think about 5 years ago. I always like to go back and visit jobs that I did and see, you know, if my work lasted the test of time. What we did here is we supplied it high performance aluminum replacement windows with low E glass. This was a HDFC funded project. We're here at 145 Morningside Avenue in Harlem, Manhattan. This is a project that we did about 10 years ago, coming back to take a look, see how the windows are standing up. We did about 100 plus double hung aluminum windows with a Crystal 5000 series. We used low E glass here to get these windows nice and efficient. They had here before aluminum, but it was an older generation that was leaky, they weren't working, so we came in and replaced them with a retrofit method, a fin and a trim we call it, which was very invasive. We did very little damage to the interior, basically no damage. We were able to slip the windows into the existing opening, and it was a very successful project. All right, right now we're about to head to Central Park, 97th Street transverse, the street that runs through the park. Inside of there is the Central Park Conservancy, and we're about to go drop off some hardware for a project that's actually ongoing, that we supplied fully custom Marvin windows and doors, as well as windows and doors by Parrot. It's a very, very high detail job. Right now, we're gonna head over there. I switched this to on the way. That actually emails the customer to let them know that we are in transit. About to walk on to CPC job site, Central Park Conservancy. I can't bring you guys in because of safety precautions and OSHA. You guys would need an SST card and all that. So I'm just gonna throw my hard hat on, walk in, drop off the hardware to them. Chopping off some electrified hinges, some extension rods for the doors that we supplied. Yeah, so here at the Central Park Conservancy on 151-97 transverse in the middle of Central Park, this was a project that we helped with landmark drawings, production drawings, working with, in conjunction with Marvin and Parrot to replicate all the complex historical details. So we just supplied this job, did the drawings, we helped with measurements, And as you can see, I've been on this job site. I come here once a week, checking on the guys, helping them out, making sure they got what they need, and getting them through their punch list. We also provided all the doors and hardware. All the hardware was custom, so all the little parts and pieces they had to put together. WindowFix, myself, we've been here assisting this project get to completion, and it's almost there. So stay tuned, we'll have some final photos and videos up. But you can check out the drawings and all the details that made this project come together.